In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Google Drive, a process that will enable you to streamline your workflow and leverage automation in incredibly useful ways. This seamless integration is made possible through Zapier, a tool that connects your favorite apps and automates tasks between them without requiring you to write a single line of code. Let's get started. First, you want to begin by navigating to the Zapier website. Once there, you'll find yourself on the home page. At this point, go ahead and click on the Create button. This action will take you closer to creating your automated workflow, which in Zapier terms is known as a Zap. Upon clicking Create, you'll see an option for Zaps. Select that. This is where the magic starts to happen. You'll be prompted with an interface where you can search and select the apps you wish to connect. In our case, you're going to type in and select both Gmail and Google Drive. This step is crucial as it defines which two services will be working together. After selecting Gmail and Google Drive, you're hit with an option saying, Add all steps to Zap. Do exactly that. This will create a blueprint of the steps that your data will follow from Gmail to Google Drive. Following this, it's time to choose a trigger event. A trigger event is a specific action that starts your Zap. For instance, receiving a new email in Gmail could be set as a trigger for the actions you want to automate in Google Drive. Once you've selected the suitable trigger event for Gmail, the next step requires you to log in to your Gmail account. This action allows Zapier to access and interact with your Gmail data according to the permissions you grant. It's about ensuring that the automation works with your specific emails. After successfully logging in, you will need to configure the trigger. This might involve specifying which Gmail folder Zapier should monitor or what kind of emails trigger the Zap. Configuration is key to ensuring that the automation works exactly how you need it to. Following the Gmail setup, it's time to focus on Google Drive by selecting it within Zapier. Here, you'll be prompted to choose an action event. Unlike the trigger event from Gmail, the action event is what you want to happen in Google Drive as a response to the trigger. It could be creating a new file, for example. Just like with Gmail, you'll need to log into your Google Drive account. This allows Zapier access to manage files on your behalf, based on the configurations you're about to set. Permissions are critical here to ensure seamless automation between Gmail and Google Drive. Configuration awaits again, but this time for Google Drive. This might involve specifying which folder to save the files in, or even how you want the files to be named. The better you fine-tune these settings, the more tailored and effective your automation becomes. Now you're almost at the finish line. Before you let your Zap run wild, you must test it. This ensures that everything is working as expected. Testing simulates the trigger event to see if the action event occurs correctly in Google Drive. It's a crucial step to avoid any surprises later on. Once you're satisfied with the test results, all that's left is to publish your Zap. This action activates it, allowing it to run in the background, automatically managing the tasks you've set between Gmail and Google Drive. With your Zap live, you can sit back and admire how you've just automated a once manual process, freeing up valuable time and energy. And just like that, you've successfully connected Gmail to Google Drive through Zapier. The process might seem intricate at first glance, but with each step you're making powerful automation possible. As you grow more comfortable with Zapier, you'll find countless ways to integrate your apps and services, each adding value to your digital life in unimaginable ways. Remember, the beauty of automation lies in its setup. Once done, it works tirelessly for you, turning once cumbersome tasks into automated wonders. Embrace the power of connecting your apps and watch as your productivity soars. Thank you for following along, and here's to automating your way to a more efficient digital life.